In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos and videos from your Galaxy A24 to an external hard disk. So first, make sure that you have a USB Type-C to Type-A port adapter. Then what you want to do is to just connect your hard disk to the adapter. Then once it's been connected, insert it into the phone. So it should look something like that. Next, just wait for the contents of the disk to be read. If it's anything like mine, the light should blink. And then once it stops blinking, it means that the contents have been read and you can now access them. So just wait. So then what you want to do is open the Files app. And in Files, go to Internal Storage and select the images or photos and videos you wish to copy or remove. So let's select some photos and videos and then tap on the option either move or copy. Copy means that they'll still be on the phone, but they'll also be on the hard disk. And move means that you'll transfer them completely to your hard disk. So select one of these options. Let me select copy. And then just go back to the Files menu and then select your hard disk. As you can see, mine has been split into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So what you want to do is select your hard disk. So let me select part 2 and then select where you'd like it to go. So I'll just like it to be in this folder and then tap on copy here. If you've selected move, you'll be given the option move here. So just tap on it like that. Then you just wait for them to be copied or moved. So as you can see, you'll see your new photos and videos that are available. So if you've transferred many, you should see them there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.